Get it, man. Little kick push to start off. He's old school. I like that. You gonna run the light? Yeah, you're gonna run it. Oh my god. He was that was like a total light run. California rolling light. We have a rolling stop, but people just do a rolling light now. What the hell are you doing? Whoa. Good trade. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful Thruxton. Actually, it's not Thruxton. Whoops. That's a Bonneville. At least I think it is. I don't know. I don't know shit about Triumph bikes. There's like a street triple and a triple threat and a Bonneville. Some other shit. Damn. Damn. Lambo. Thanks, man. Thank you, man. Appreciate that. Thank you. That's what I'm going for, brother. I'm not waiting anymore. Thank you. Bird.